Let's get a check on the weather with Sara Thornton, hasn't it?
What do you want? What do you want this week? Feels like spring a little bit,
yeah.
Something like that.
Please no more rain.
Yeah, not at the moment, because it started raining this afternoon. It feels pretty chilly out there, but just wait, it's going to feel much more spring-like as we wear through the week. But it is something, I have to tell you, of a mixed bag. Let's work through it then. For the time being, yes, we've got some rain through the night tonight. Very, very mild tomorrow. Wait till you see the temperatures. But it will be breezy, slightly tempering things. A lot of dry weather, but I can't promise you an awful lot of sunshine. And also, we do have some very high tides, spring tides for the next few days. So this was the scene at Putney earlier today. Could see a little bit more of that. We've got some flood alerts, not flood warnings though. But as I say, for the time being, the story is this. We've had some rain work in through this afternoon and it felt pretty cool out there. Still continue to see that rain work across us, but as we wear through the night, it does actually start to peter out a little bit. Breezy and mild. There your overnight lows, 12 Celsius. That's how we'll start tomorrow morning. And then the rain is pulling away all the time. I think it will stay fairly cloudy and murky. A little bit, maybe a breakage towards the north. Look at these temperatures though. 16 Celsius, 61 in Fahrenheit. Summer might see 17 degrees, but I have to say that is slightly spoiled by the strength of the wind. As always, your black circles are your wind gusts up to 40, 45 miles an hour for a time tomorrow afternoon, and further bits and pieces of damp and drizzly weather coming in on the cloud. We're between weather fronts in the middle part of the week, and they're always sort of lurking around, which gives us the cloud, but also that squeeze in the ice bars, the white lines there packing across us, means that we will continue with some breezy weather. So here's how we go through Wednesday. I think it is a little bit brighter on Wednesday, still some cloud, but generally dry. It could be one of the better days of the week. Yes, still 14 or 15 degrees. That is well above average for the time of year. This is the day, I would say, to make the most of. And then you can see we're sort of flirting with the mild air. There's colder air up towards the north, but really we keep the mild air across us as we wear through towards the end of the week. A lot of dry weather. Look at this, dry symbols until the second half of the weekend. Not quite as warm after tomorrow, but still pretty good.
Sounds lovely. Thanks very much indeed.